Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to see answer of yes no situation regarding a relationship. It could be a love relationship, it could be any kind of connection. If you're looking for the response of the other side person in terms of yes no, so this is going to be reading for that particular situation. Any situation you can just think and you can look for the yes no answers here. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe our channel, and now we'll move to the reading. Here you are having two set of the cards. One set you can select and you can see what the response is coming, whether it is coming yes, whether it is coming no, or it is coming positive for you, whether the waiting time is there, all that. So let's see what the message is coming. The first pile I'm just checking now. First card is the moon. Moon is always, it is something very confusing. Things are not clear. Still there is something to just think upon, something like that. Other card is the success card. This is positive card, and this is talking about a relationship. So when I'll just include all three cards, I will say it's a situation of something 60-40 ratio. If you are looking for that person or the relationship, the positive development will come. Or in terms of yes no, if I'll just conclude this section, I feel still the person is confused, the other side of the person is confused, and there is a time to give answer, but somewhere these things are going on, but the clarity is not there. So person is still confused minded person is, could be the person is going through some emotional issues. Something is going on, the serious thing. That's the reason the person is unable to decide, and the person, he or she, whoever it is, they are keep on fluctuating in their decision making. So decision making wise, I feel the person is not very trustworthy here. I do feel, this is the my observation. Otherwise the person is ready to explore life with you, or explore the business with you, or whatever. I mean, this two relationship is going to do, you planning to do. So for me it looks like a confusing note kind of answer, though the person will show yes yes, but I don't feel internally he or she is ready. So this is the situation I feel. Now we'll just move to the another card, another set of cards. I'm just keeping this here. Another set of card, we got the sun. So if you have selected section 2 for your situation, yes no, regarding yes no thing, so for you it's a big yes, it's a major arcana and it's a big yes. With that we got the card going with the flow. Again, it's a very positive card. Don't try to go against the situation, such kind of energy it is saying. And another is let your past go. So for you, I think advice also has come. If you look behind, you won't be able to proceed further, because this is the card of just move ahead, enjoy the life. So it's a big yes, definitely, but you have to forget the past wounds of yours. If anything has happened between you people, you have to forget that thing and you have to start your journey and simply just enjoy. Don't try to go against the flow, otherwise it will be painful for you. But in terms of yes no, it's a big yes, and it's a very positive combination of the cards, I will say. A lot of respect is there, a lot of love is there, a lot of emotions is there, feelings is there. Somewhere I think one person is holding themselves, they are looking back continuously, and they are not enjoying this journey. That's what the problem may happen, but that's a very smaller part of this, all the big situation. Otherwise it's a yes card. Yes pile of section. So if you have selected for your situation, for a relationship, for the feelings of the other person, in terms of yes no you wanted to know, so the second pile is the yes pile, and this is giving a very very good vibes for you. So this is the message for you. Do check, just follow your intuition before following any decision or any advice. And do let us know what else you wanted to listen from us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.